Welcome to AI Legend. Today we're diving into a fresh approach to elevate your fashion and style with ChatGPT. From staying on top of trends to putting together personalized outfits, ChatGPT can be your digital style guide. I'll walk you through 4 practical ways to use it, with specific prompts you can try for yourself. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you express your personal style with confidence. Let's jump right in. Let's start with trends. Because keeping up with what's in style can feel like a full time job, that is. This is where ChatGPT really shines. It can quickly pull in insights about seasonal trends, color palettes, and even get specific with styling tips inspired by celebrities or latest fashion shows. Here's a prompt you can try to get started. Right over here. There we go. So I just asked, what are the top fashion trends for this season, and how can I incorporate them into my wardrobe? All right. Now let's send this off to ChatGPT so that we could see what's trending and see what ideas it suggests to make our wardrobes make more stylish. I'm curious to see if it brings up any new looks or must-have items. We'll see. And so as it currently processes, here we go. ChatGPT is searching the web. All right. And here's our response right there. So here are the trends, the following. And yep, there are only about 5 that ChatGPT had given us. Sorry about that. So ChatGPT has given us some great trends or ideas. All right, so here's one, metallic. And there are mentions like Louis Vuitton and Jason Wu. There's polished preppy with the detail for quiet luxury. And grandpa chic, okay, touch of retro charm with cozy cardigans, chunky knits, and relaxed fits, barrel silhouettes, and main highlight with barrel-like pants and burgundy accessories, going from bags to boots. All right, so yeah, we've gone through them and saw how these trends could actually work for us. So, whether you're looking for a quick way to stay on trend or want to find unique ways to incorporate these looks into your style, well, ChatGPT right here has a lot to offer. You can even adjust the prompt to ask about specific colors, fits, or trends that suit your region or weather. As you can see, yeah, this is quite helpful with these suggestions. As you can see, there are links right here with these examples just to know more. Yeah. Now let's dive into one of the trickiest parts of fashion, putting together the perfect outfit for different occasions. Whether it's for a wedding, a night out, or just a day at work, ChatGPT right here can help you get creative and polished without the stress. I'll show you a prompt to ask for outfit ideas that fit a specific event. So, for example, here it is. I have a wedding to attend next month. So, can you suggest stylish outfit that's appropriate for a semi-formal event, which is really fitting for a wedding? And so, let's see how ChatGPT handles this semi-formal occasion through this prompt. I'm interested to see if it gives us a fresh idea that still meets the dress code, but with a unique twist. It all depends on the results from ChatGPT, but we'll see. There we go. So give it some time to process, and here we go. Look at how it just responded like that. So let's go through the outfit suggestions together. I'm hoping for something that's not only stylish, but has that little wow factor we all want at an event, just like this one, a wedding. All right, let's go through this a bit. So you can see ChatGPT has suggested for both men and women. All right, for a suit, opt for a well-fitted suit in a neutral or muted color like navy, charcoal, or deep green. All right, Not bad. There are also different components like a shirt, tie, shoes, accessories. Let's see, a sleek watch, a pocket square in a color that matches your tie. All right, so for the tie, choose a tie that complements the suit. Perhaps a textured tile in a subtle color or pattern. All right, for the women right here, let's go dress. Go for knee length or mighty dress in a solid color or elegant pattern. Florals or subtle prints work well. Wrap or fit and flare style that can be flattering and comfortable. All right, so for the shoes for the women, classic heels or dressy flats, metallic or nude, sorry about that. Tones are versatile options. Sorry about that again. And yeah, not bad. So this gives us a starting point with suggestions that we can adjust based on personal taste. ChatGPT even has ideas for accessories as well, as you can see right here. See? Right over here that I just read. One right over here. See? And also layering, which makes it easier to customize a look that feels like you. Perfect for when you want a cohesive outfit that stands out. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now let's talk about personalization. One of the best things about ChatGPT is how it can help create style recommendations tailored specifically to you. By giving it a few details like your height, body type, and favorite styles, ChatGPT can suggest looks that work with your unique features. Now let's start with a prompt that includes a few key details and see what ChatGPT comes up with. All right, here it is. Let's say I'm 5'4", curvy, and love bohemian styles. What outfit ideas do you have for a casual day out? Now, here we go. So, I'm excited to see if ChatGPT can blend the bohemian vibe with something flattering for a curvy figure. Adding those personal details really gives ChatGPT a chance to tailor its advice. Then, all depends on the results. Let's go. All right, let's see how it processes from there. Alrighty, so here are the following recommendations here. Just 4 of them. See, ChatGPT has pulled together some ideas right here with these outfits. So let's go over these suggestions and see if they capture the relaxed, free-spirited feel of bohemian style while being comfortable and flattering. Right, so let's go through each of them. Starting out with a flowy maxi dress, and here's a detail here. I could just read briefly, like try flowy printed maxi dress with a cinched waist to highlight your curves. Go for earthy or jewel tone and look for patterns like florals or paisley. Another one is high-waisted flared jeans with a blouse. It says here, a pair of high-waisted flared jeans can elongate your silhouette. All right, so another one, boho skirt with a fitted top. Opt for a tiered or ruffled boho skirt that fits just above the ankles. And one right here, another bottom, wide leg pants and croquette top. Okay, look for flowy wide leg pants in a fun print or solid neutral color and pair them with a croquet, croquet, croquet or lace trim top. All right, that's really nice, I must say. So this is a great example of how ChatGPT can give you outfit ideas that feel authentic to your style and body shape. From suggesting flattering cuts to incorporating fun bohemian details, it really adds a personal touch that's hard to get from general fashion advice. See? Let's finish up with the topic that's becoming more important than ever: sustainable fashion. Choosing eco friendly options can make a huge difference for the planet. And the best part is, it doesn't mean sacrificing style. Well, ChatGPT can be a great resource here. From discovering sustainable brands to learning how to make your wardrobe more eco friendly, let's see what advice it can offer with a quick prompt. All right, here we go. So I'd ask, what are some sustainable fashion brands I can consider and how I can build a more eco friendly wardrobe? Yep, just as I stated almost exactly earlier. Here we go. So now that I asked ChatGPT for recommendations through this prompt, I'm curious to see if it suggests that might not have considered before. So it all depends on the magic ChatGPT would do. For that, let's send this off right now. And here we go. The response is in. So once it is generated right here, we can see every one of these recommendations that are listed down here and see if it offers or it could benefit with our interests to go for something sustainable. All right, so here are the list: Patagonia, Reformation, Everlane, Girlfriend Collective. Well, each of these brands have details here on how are they differentiate from each other, or what is their significant style in their sustainable fashion right here. So one right here, the Girlfriend Collective uses recycled materials for their activewear. So for Everlane, emphasizes radical transparency and have materials like organic cotton and recycled polyester. Down here, we have the few more like Veja or People Tree, Amor Vert. Okay, and then down here, we have the tips that were offered that make it easy to incorporate eco-friendly choices into our wardrobes without losing that personal touch. Okay, so let's go through a few of them. So one right here, choose sustainable fabrics. All right, wash smart, repurpose and upcycle. And down here, the last one, recycle responsibly. And yeah, this is great with these lists. So ChatGPT not only suggests sustainable brands, once again, but it also offers insights or tips on how to look for quality fabrics like organic cotton or recycled materials that are good for the planet. It's helpful to see just how practical sustainable fashion can be. And thank you so much for tuning in, everyone. I hope you're excited to start experimenting with these prompts and see how ChatGPT can become your own personal fashion assistant.